There's only one way through conflict, and that is through it, not around it or over it or under it. People think that playing nice in the sandbox is all fun and games, but often there's a sandstorm and someone's got to be king or queen of the castle and take action before the dust will settle. Well, you know, most people avoid conflict because it has an awkwardness or discomfort about it. Even the word itself sounds like combat. But the truth is that healthy teams and partnerships embrace conflict because it makes them stronger. I've developed a roadmap to walk you through conflict to collaboration, step by step. Although every conflict is unique and those involved are serving different roles of coworkers, colleagues, or managers, these steps will guide you to understand and stay the course and move through conflicts so you can emerge on the other side of it, knowing that you tried your best. We're in a worker shortage, which puts a strain on the human resources of a company. Good people are worth keeping and developing. And people don't often quit jobs. They quit managers or toxic teams for something healthier. Conflict costs corporate North America approximately $359 billion each year, and the stress from mismanaged relationships is the #1 reason for mental health issues resulting in lost time from work. But it's also killing you. Well, have no fear. My roadmap is here with 8 steps to help you PLAYNICE, play nice when the going gets tough.